If you've avoided buying these kind of mouse traps because you just don't want to take a chance on getting your finger stuck in this trap here, today I'm going to show you how to do it. Guaranteed it will never snap your finger. Right here on the Everyday Man. So I've got the trap set up. There's no bait on it yet because I want to show you how strong that force is on that bar flipping over with those two springs that are set up like that. Just watch this. I've got just a piece of beef stick here. It cut right through, about halfway through. That would be very painful. Here's a close-up of it to give you an idea of how deep that went in there. It would certainly hurt. So let's get into how we're going to make it so you don't ever have to worry about this. Let's take a look at the method of setting this trap where you never have to worry about snapping your fingers on it. It's as simple as this. You get this in the paint department. It's a plastic alligator clip. It's less than $1. This is going to help you by stopping the bait lever from going down enough to trip the bar. And I'll show you exactly how this works. It's so simple, you're going to love it. So the first thing you want to do is lift the bar up, okay, and hold it in your thumbs like this. So at this point, just flip that over, put this on a little bit. Now you only put on a little bit because you're going to flip that back and then you're going to run the bar down here. At that point, slide it up as far as you can. And you can see here, it slid all the way up to the base, the bait tray. Okay, now that that's up there, the pin is in here and it won't come out. So you can simply let go of the bar like that and it's in place. Now what you do is simply take this where you need to set it up against the wall, and I'll show you how to do that. And once you have that where you need it, you can take this out. But the nice thing about this is, if you accidentally touch this, it's not going to trip. See? It's not going to trip because this is holding this from going down far enough that that bar will come out. So you're perfectly safe. So now take this where you need, put it up against the wall, remove this, and you place it down, and you're done. Perfect. Let me show you how that works when we bait it. So we're going to do that one more time, but this time we're going to bait it. I like peanut butter. I think most everybody uses peanut butter now. I use a stick that you can throw out, but obviously you're not going to use it for anything else. Okay, so bring this up like this, and I just kind of put it in there, easy as that. Try and keep it away from the edges. All right, now that we have that in there, we're going to lift this up. Just like that, hold it in place. Flip that over. Slide that on. Put the bar in. And then slide this all the way up. You can move the bar over a little bit and release pressure. At this point, I can let go of it. It's set because the bar is into the trap. And again, don't put your fingers anywhere around there because I'm going to put it up against the wall and show you how to do that, okay? Again, the benefit of this is you can't trip this trap with this on here. It's holding everything in place. You don't have to worry about getting your fingers snapped. So you can carry it around the room, take it outside, wherever you're going with it. Now, once you're ready to go, think about what you're doing, right? So I'm right-handed. I want to hold the back of the trap like this with my right hand, and don't put your fingers anywhere on that side of the trap. Pull this out and set it where you want it. They always tell you put it perpendicular to the wall because that's the way they run. Well, that was pretty easy, right? Pick yourself up one of these. It's only $1 and it really, really works nice. Hey, I really enjoy showing you tips like this little dollar hack. And if you like these kind of videos, do me a favor and hit the like and the subscribe button. It helps out my channel and you'll get to see more of these tips. So with that said, this is the Everyday Man saying thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.